Ang ganda niya. I think there's a glitch.
We made it to Seoul!
It is so bright here!
Hi guys! So, as promised, dumating na ang pinaka-inaantay ko na biggest merch box na na-receive ko sa Weavers. Ang laki, ang laki niya. So, ayan siya. Sobrang laki niya. So, pag tinayo ko siya, lampas na siya sa akin, guys. So, let's unbox ko. Ano nga ba yung mga binudol ko? At talaga namang wala pang concert. Eh talagang ubos na ang pera natin, guys. Wala nang natira. So, let's go. I-unbox na natin yan. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy. And by the way, this is your Omayel, your companion tour guide in Seoul, and your army mom bestie. So, let's go and unbox this one. Actually, a little story, nabuksan ko na siya kanina. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga plastic para hindi masyadong matagal yung unboxing. So, hindi ko pa siya talaga totally inopen. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga sticker, yung mga plastic, para sabay-sabay tayong ma-excite ko. Ano nga ba naman ang aking box? So, una sa lahat, well, nakikita nyo naman na, sinuot ko na siya. Kasi gusto ko na isuot siya habang nag-unbox ako. So, this is the Jungkook shirt. As you can see, si Jungkook with all his tattoos, nakita. And may Arirang logo sa back. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo, but may Arirang logo siya sa back. And then, the Jungkook shirt, medyo, ano siya, maluwag siya. Pero, malaki yung sizes nila. This one is medium lang, pero malaki na siya sa akin. Medyo oversized na siya sa akin. So, goods yan. So, yan yung unang merch. Ito yung unang merch. Suot ko na, the Jungkook shirt. And then, the next one is, tan-tanan! Let's go ahead and open. The next one, na nasa box ko is, by the way, ito yung laman ng mga box ko. So, hindi naman siya ganun kapuno, pero siksik siya ng lahat ng gusto kong bilhin talaga. So, this one is the first one. Magkakasabay sila. So, si shirt, si poster, at saka si mug. So, i-unbox natin isa-isa muna. So, ang ganda niya kasi meron siya talagang poster holder. So, hindi talaga siya magugusot. That's what I love about buying posters directly from Weavers. Plus, naka-plastic din siya. So, let's go! Ang binili ko nga pala is OT7. Kasi gusto ko siyang ilagay sa part ng room ko. Gusto ko siyang ipa-frame actually. So, hahanap pa ako ng ka-size niya na frame. But, this is how it looks like. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niya. At saka yung texture niya, para siyang hindi siya papel. Para siyang makintab na, paano ko ba sasabihin to? Para siyang tela na makintab. Pero papel siya, guys, ah. Pero iba yung texture niya talaga. Sobrang kinis and sobrang smooth niya. So, hindi ko alam kung kita sa buong video, but eto siya. Here's the whole poster. Sobrang ganda niya. Sa coffee girly, sobrang hilig ko talagang magkape. And heaven sent sa akin na meron silang mug na binenta. Talagang yun agad yung unang-una kong chinek out talaga sa mga first drop ng merch nila. So, eto siya. This is the mug. Again, tinanggal ko lang yung sticker, pero hindi ko pa siya ino-open. Ayan. So, same, very secure, very safe naman siya. And, this is the actual mug. Oh my God! It says, what is your love song? And ang cute niya kasi pag tinitingnan mo siya, para silang naglalakad kapag minove mo yung cup. Like that. Ayan. Para silang naglalakad. Di ba? Ang cute. Tapos sa likod is merong Arirang logo. The usual mug lang naman siya, the white mug. Pero sobrang cute niya kasi parang Beatles yung style niya and black and white siya. Plus may Arirang logo kasi. So, ayun. So, yun yung ito yung pangalawa kong pinurchase, the shirt, the mug, and the poster. So, let's go naman sa Arirang album. So, that's for part 2. Stay tuned. Now, let's go to the fun part. I-unbox na natin ang sandamakmak na album na to. Ibongga na natin to. And yung sandamakmak na mga freebies. So, let's go. So, let's start with the albums muna, bago yung mga freebies. So, this one is, if I'm not mistaken, the Living Legend version. Ito yung small one lang, yung parang may QR lang. So, alright. So, ito yung QR nila. Ayan. Yan yung QR nila. And then, these are all the songs. And then, meron lang na instruction manual. Jin. Cute. And then, we have Namjoon. Tapos, si Yoongi Marry Me. And then, meron tayong si J-Hope. And then, Jimin. V. And of course, my love, Jungkook. So cute. Tapos, meron ding group photo. So, photo A, group photo A, and group photo B. So, actually, yun lang yung kasama ni Living Legend. Photo cards, the instruction, and the QR with the track list. The box itself, ayan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And then yung back. The next one is this one. Rooted in Korea na version. Ganun din. Parang flip to open siya. Ayan. So, flip to open. Ang ganda! Look! Para siyang may sticker. Yung nilalagay sa mga envelope. And matigas siya, guys. Matigas siya. And then, sa likod is the credits. So, it's so good. Pagbukas nyo. And then, the photo book looks like a film strip. So, ayan siya. Ayan. A film strip. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Ayan. Namjoon. B. Jimin. Jungkook. Sobrang pogi, guys. Of course, Taeyong. Wala si Yoongi Marry Me. Oh, Suga. And then sa likod, shadow lang nila, the reflection. And then, yung mga lyrics lang. So, this is Rooted in Korea version. Basically, the theme is yung nasa Gwanghwamun sila ay nasa Gyeongbok Palace sila, I believe. So, Rooted in Korea. By the way, ito yung back ng album. So, this is the front, and then this is the back for Rooted in Korea. And then, let's go with this one. So, nakaseal siya with the Arirang sticker. What's included is, of course, the CD. Ayan. So, the CD na meron ng constellation nila. 7, yung tattoo nila. And then, the next one is the poster message card or the postcard message. So, each one of them, 7 members in a group. Ayan siya. So, 7 members nandyan. And on the back, meron silang mga message. Korean nga lang siya. So, hindi natin maintindihan. But you can translate it in Papago naman. And what's good is, napupunit siya. So, pwede siyang putol-putulin ng solo-solo for members. Per member. So, this was included. And then, finally, the photo cards. So, let's go check it out. So, of course, Namjoon. This one is Jin. Yoongi, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and of course, Jungkook. Alam nyo, guys, this version ng Rooted in Korea, sobrang flimsy nung papel niya. As in, sobrang lambot. Hindi siya, mukha siyang unofficial. Kung titingnan nyo, I don't know kung ganito ba talaga siya or talagang parang may problem yung akin. But sobrang flimsy niya, guys. Para siyang papel lang talaga, oh. Sobrang lambot niya na manipis. Para siyang bond paper texture lang. I don't know, for some reason, hindi siya yung the normal photo card. As in, sobrang dali niyang matupi, guys. Para siyang bond paper lang talaga na colored. Para siyang photo paper na sobrang nipis. I don't know, the quality is not giving. But, yes, pogi pa rin naman sila lahat. So, it's okay. But just a heads up, guys, ha. Sobrang flimsy niya. Sobrang lambot ng photo card. Parang unofficial tingnan. And, para siyang bond paper na printed lang. But, so, be aware lang. Baka kasi akalain ng iba na unofficial pag bumili sila ng tingi. But, it is. Ganun siya talaga kanipis, guys. Okay, so, we're done with Rooted in Korea. Let's go with Rooted in Music naman. The Rooted in Music. So, siya naman is rectangular siya. Kanina si Rooted in Korea is square. So, this one is rectangular. Ganun pa rin siya, parang flip to open. Ang ganda niya. Mas maganda siya, guys. Mas love ko to. Look at the CD, oh. Parang may film viewer. Tapos silang 7 members. Yun yung CD niya, guys. So, lahat silang member sa Rooted in Music. And then, ito yung lyrics paper niya, nakadikit din with all their songs. And then, pag binuksan mo siya, ito agad yung bubungad sa inyo, guys. Sobrang cute. And dalawa siya. So, dalawa siya na parang magkadikit. Ayan. Dalawa siya na parang magkadikit. Ganyan siya. Mahabang version siya, guys. And then, meron ulit ng constellation nila. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Ang haba niya. And then, andito rin yung mga photos na nila.
Oh wow, it is getting how is there?
So, hindi ko na iisa-isahin to, guys. Pero, ipopost ko rin yung full unboxing ng yung item lang without me. Kung ayaw nyo kung makita sa frame. So, this is the whole unboxing. And then, kung paano nila sinulat yung mga lyrics. Ayan. The next one are the film strips. So, it's Namjoon. This one is Jin. Yoongi. J-Hope. Jimin. V. And, of course, Jungkook. Tapos, we also have the photo card. So, for this version. Okay. So, the photo card ng Rooted in Music is so much better. Like their usual photo card, yung matigas na paper. Ito yung usual na texture and ito yung photo card na tama yung texture. Talagang the usual, yung matigas talaga na version nila always. Sobrang layo ng difference nung texture and nung tigas niya sa Rooted in Korea. So, this one is the much better version ng photo card. I don't know if error lang ba yun sa akin o talagang ganun siya ka-flimsy. But, again, this is RM. Jin. Then, Yoongi. Hobi. Jimin. V, and Jungkook. So, 7 uli siya. Alam nyo, sobrang nakaka-happy na lately, na yung mga albums nila is talagang laging OT7 na yung binibigay nila, di ba? Para hindi na tayo ina-anxiety na hindi natin makukuha yung bias natin. But, thank God for that. Binibigay na nila OT7 lagi. Para fair and equal. So, basically, walang likod compared sa Rooted in Korea and sa Living Legend. But, that's what's inside the Rooted in Music.
Horse to lang, sir. Slow, slow.
Ooh. This is the Living Legend version. The Weaver's version pala yung isa. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. The Weaver's version pala yung maliit, not the Living Legend. Ito pala si Living Legend, guys. Nalito na ako. Sorry.
Oh my God, bro. Please help me out.
So again, flip to open pa rin siya, guys. With the Arirang logo and the BTS sign at the back. And when you open, ito na yung bubungad sa inyo agad. And this one. So, pag inopen natin siya, goes something like this. Kalagay siya, Arirang, and then this is what's inside. Ang ganda! And, nandyan yung mga member names. Living Legend version is parang meron siyang ganito na belt na BTS that you can also use for other stuff if gusto nyo siyang alisin sa album. Ayan. So, the garter. So cute. And then, the names of the member and the Living Legend name. So, once inopen, so this is the album case. It looks like a velvet texture. Velvet texture siya na matte. And then, pag inopen mo, ayan siya. Glittered yung Arirang logo niya. Sobrang ganda. Para siyang medyo glittered na velvet na matte paper. Looks very elegant. And then, this is the lyrics paper. And of course, the album. Then, the next one is this one. I think this is a poster. So, yeah. This is a mini poster of the OT7. Or the photo book poster. So, mukha siyang photo book. Mukha siyang photo book, guys, with all the 7 members. Sobrang cute nila. Sobrang cute nila, guys. So, ayan siya. But, FYI, it looks like a magazine, but lahat to natatanggal. Poster siya lahat. So, for example, if tatanggalin ko kunyari si Jungkook, ganyan siya. It's a poster, guys. And then, sa likod is si Jungkook. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, all 7 of them is ganyan. So, lahat natatanggal siya. All the posters natatanggal. So, pwede mo siyang hugutin like that with his ID and his name and nabubuksan siya. So, poster siya. So, you can cut it out, put it sa wall, whatever you like. You can also put it on a binder kasi meron siyang parang points na pwede kang magbukas para sa binder mo. So, you can do that. So, yun yung kinaganda niya. Photo book siya, pero natatanggal siya, guys. We're gonna go through what's inside this envelope. So, constellation, it's giving, and the logo na faded. I'm all for it. So, first one is the stickers. So, 2 sets of stickers siya na pwede nyo ilagay sa laptop, sa mga computer nyo, or sa planners, or anything. And then, the next one that's inside is this one, yung photo card na natatanggal siya. So, this one is Jin. And then, you can cut it out para maging photo card. Next is RM. Jungkook, syempre. V. Jimin. J-Hope. Suga. Guys, I think there's a glitch. Dalawa yung suga niya, guys. Dalawa yung suga na nandito sa akin. Bakit? So, suga 1 and suga 2. Ano to? Free? But, sobrang swerte ko, guys. Dalawang suga. So, oh my God. Sobrang swerte. So, dalawa. I don't know if it's glitch o talagang dalawa siya na may isa talaga siyang free na isang member na random. But, I got 2 Sugas. So, ayun. So, yun siya. Yun ang kasama niya. And then, of course, the photo card. So, again, hindi siya flimsy. It's the usual photo card na nare-receive natin from Weavers. Yung matigas na version. So, Jungkook. And then V. Jimin. J-Hope. Suga. Jin. And RM. So, that's all the 7 photo cards. So, na-unbox na natin lahat ng arirang merch na nabili ko and lahat ng album versions. Now, we're gonna proceed with the most exciting. We're gonna unbox the early bird gifts and the pre-order benefit gifts. So, let's go! So, let's start with the film keychain. So, ang sabi nila, pag lahat ng version daw bibilin mo, it comes with 5 random out of the 7. So, I am praying na makuha ko kahit si Jungkook man lang. Out of the 5, kinuha ko talaga yung set kasi gusto kong itaas yung chances na makakuha ng Jungkook sa lahat ng Weaver's gift. So, let's see if swerte tayo today. Tulad ng pagkakaswerte ko sa dalawang Suga kanina. So, this is the first one. Let's see who we got. V. This is V. And then the second one is Namjoon. So, this one is Namjoon. Kinakabahan ako. Next. Ayoko muna siyang tingnan. Who's this? Oh, it's me again. Oh my God, dalawa na lang. Ay, ako po. Sana makuha ko si Jungkook, guys. Please. Next. Si Jungkook. Nakuha ko si Jungkook. Okay. I'm happy na. Happy na ako. Nakuha ko na siya. And then, we have the last one. Let's see who this is. Oh, Toby. Toby. This is the group photo. Uy, sobrang cute ni Jungkook, guys, oh. Ang cute niya. And ang cute din ni V, oh. So, the group photo. And I believe meron siyang kasamang stand. Hindi natin siyang ilagay sa table, sa bedside nyo. Ayan siya. With the arirang logo from Weaver Shop na glass. So, pwede nyo siyang i-stand ng ganyan. Ayan. Ayan. That's how it will look like. Cute. And the next one is, I have the photo card A and the photo card B. So, ang sabi is random din na 5 out of 7. So, let's see kung ano yung makukuha natin. I am just praying na mataas talaga yung chance na nakuha ko pareho si Jungkook. So, the first one is Yoongi. Not bad for a start. Next one is Namjoon, our leader. Next one is Jimin. Ang cute. Next is, dalawa na lang. Kinakabahan ako. By the way, bago ko isplok yung dalawa, yung paper niya pala guys, medyo emboss yung logo. So, just for awareness sa mga bibili, ng tingi version nito, emboss yung logo ng Arirang in the back. So, that's how you know it's original or legit. Okay, so next one. On to the second one.
Just go, Lord.
Ubi! Oh my gosh. So, okay. So, ang wala na lang ako is si Jin and si V. So, it could either be Jungkook, Jin, or V. Please be Jungkook. Please be Jungkook. Guys, nakuha ko siya. Oh, with the next one. This is the second set, guys. So, let's open. Alam nyo, medyo diskumpiyado na ako dito. Pakiramdam ko, hindi ako ganun kaswerte. Kasi sa lahat ng mga albums ko, sobrang malas ko talaga na makuha lagi si Jungkook. Kahit yung huling permission to dance, hindi ko siya na-achieve, hindi ko siya nakuha. So, hindi na ako umaasa na swerte pa rin ako dito. But, I will still put my faith na talagang lucky day ko ngayon dahil sa dalawang Suga na lumabas kanina. So, let's go. First one.
Go, carry you. Let's not
Yunggi. So, nakuha ko yung dalawang Yunggi. Good job. The next one is... Ooh, V this time. Nakuha ko si V. Jin. Nakuha ko na rin si Jin for the second one. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Dalawa na lang. Namjoon. Nabuo ko na rin yung dalawang Namjoon. And the moment of truth, guys. It could either be Jimin, Hobi, or Jungkook. Please be Jungkook. Please. Please. Sobrang swerte. Ito, Jungkook, guys. Na-secure natin ang dalawang Jungkook. Sobrang swerte. And, kasama pa ang Film Kidding. Yes. So, sabi ko na, it's our lucky day today dahil sa dalawang Suga. Yun talaga ang bertud natin for today's video. So, dalawang version kasi yon, isang Maknae line and isang Rap line. So, ang nakuha natin is the Maknae line. Basically, yun lang lahat ng haul ko and ng merch ko. Ito na siya lahat. Sobrang kalat niya. So, aayusin ko pa siya later. But mamaya, I'll also post the clearer version ng lahat ng products lang na mas in-depth na wala ako. Kung ayaw niyo ako makita. But, so far, ano ang napusuan niyo na merch and ano yung sa tingin niyo na tama yung desisyon na yun ang binili niyo? Or kung pare-pareho ba tayo ng binili? Let me know in the comment section and please follow me on my YouTube and on my TikTok channel. My TikTok is Omayel and my YouTube is Mom Beyond Bias. So thank you for watching. It's your Oma. Omay out.